Hey guys, so today I'm gonna do an unboxing after a long time. So that's a bit weird puzzle. What all can I say about it? So let's straight away look onto our unboxing. So this is our cube, WindMirror Cube, as written here by Moyu. So let's open the puzzle. It has a normal box, not a special box, and there's no tutorial inside it. I don't think I need it. And this looks a normal windmill cube, but it's not that. The normal windmill cube, if I compare, is this one. So if I move the middle layer, this is in equal level, but if I move the middle layer of this one, it moves. So and prove that it's a mirror windmill cube, or the name given by Moyu, WindMirror Cube. So it basically looks a bit weird puzzle. What all can I say? Turning is pretty nice if I talk with respect to non-WCA puzzles. And I am scared about scrambling it. But wait, I found something strange. See this. I am turning these layers and it seems like they aren't changing their what do I say, alignments. See, if I keep like this same, if I turn, it isn't changing. Only these right and left layers are changing their cube shape. And so that looks a bit weird. I'll make a separate video of attempting to solving it, but now for a while I'll look onto how it actually works. So this is a windmill cube pattern. It looks a bit similar like this, only the center pieces are up or down and the edge pieces. So overall, I had a bit low expectations about the quality of the cube, but it's pretty nice, and it feels very nice when you keep in your hands. And now I'm performing a T-palm on this algorithm to see what happens. And wait, what? Nothing happened. Really, nothing happened. Let's try J-palm algorithm. Wait, why it is nothing happening here in this layer and this layer too? I'm getting more and more confused of this cube. So wait, let's try a few more algorithms. Let's try RU prime, RU prime, R prime, U prime, R2. Wait, that algorithm didn't switch any of the edge pieces, but it twisted the center. Wait, it twisted the center. That looks scary. Let's reverse the algorithm and see if the center gets aligned again. Yeah, it's got aligned again. So overall, it's a very challenging cube. So I'll make a separate video of attempting to solving it. So goodbye guys, take care, meet in the next video.